Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to do ghost effect on CapCut. So let's continue. At first, get the clip you want to do the effect on. And then copy the clip and make it a overlay. Then go to the opacity and put it on 50. And then add a keyframe from where you want it to start and also stop. Now go to groups and tap on is in one. Now zoom in on the keyframe that stops and cut the extra part of the end like this. Then go to animation and tap on fade out. And that's it. Let's play the video. So that's how you can do ghost effect on CapCut. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.